If you're experiencing issues with voice chat in Fortnite, calibrating your settings can help resolve the problem. Follow these steps to ensure your voice chat is working properly. Step 1. Check audio settings. Navigate to the audio settings in Fortnite. Make sure that voice chat is enabled and that the correct input and output devices are selected. Adjust the volume levels to ensure they are not muted or set too low. Step 2. Test your microphone. Before diving deeper, test your microphone outside of Fortnite to ensure it is functioning properly. Use a voice recording app or a different game to confirm that your microphone is capturing sound. Step 3. Adjust Windows sound settings. Open the sound settings on your computer. Right-click the sound icon in the taskbar, select Sounds, and then go to the Recording tab. Ensure your microphone is set as the default device and check its properties for any additional settings that may need adjustment. Step 4. Update audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause issues with voice chat. Visit the manufacturer's website for your audio device or use a driver update tool to ensure you have the latest drivers installed. Step 5. Restart Fortnite in your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix issues. Close Fortnite completely and restart your device. Launch Fortnite again and check if the voice chat is now functioning correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate your voice chat settings in Fortnite and resolve any issues. If problems persist, consider checking online forums or the official Fortnite support for further assistance.